In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Healing Brush Tool in Photopea. This tool is perfect for removing blemishes, dust spots, and small distractions while keeping natural texture intact, and I'll walk you through it from start to finish. First, open your web browser and head to Photopea. It's a free, browser-based editor, so there's nothing to install. Once the workspace loads, look for the Open from Computer button on the home screen. Click it, then browse to the photo you want to retouch and open it. If you're choosing between images, pick one with a few small imperfections so you can clearly see the results. With your image open, find the brush icon in the toolbar on the left. Photopea groups several tools under that icon, so right-click it to reveal the hidden options. From the list, choose the Healing Brush tool. This is different from the Spot Healing Brush. The Healing Brush lets you pick a source area manually, which gives you more control and better blending on tricky textures like skin, fabric, or skies with gradients. Before painting, set your brush size in the top options bar. A simple rule is to make the brush just a bit larger than the blemish you're fixing. A soft brush, lower hardness, helps edges blend cleanly, while a harder brush can preserve crisp texture for things like hair or fabric weave. You can quickly adjust size with the bracket keys on your keyboard and zoom in to work precisely. Now hold the Alt key on Windows or Option on a Mac and click once on a clean area of the image that matches the tone and texture of the spot you want to fix. This samples a source. Choose a source close to the problem area so lighting and texture line up naturally. Release Alt or Option, then carefully paint over the imperfection. Use short controlled strokes and let the tool blend the sampled texture into the target area. If you notice repeating patterns or mismatched lighting, stop. Sample a different clean spot with Alt or Option again and continue painting. Resampling frequently is the secret to invisible retouching. If you make a mistake, press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to undo and try again. When you're done, zoom out to see the overall result. The fixed area should blend seamlessly with its surroundings. If you notice halos or blur, try a slightly smaller brush, a softer edge, or new samples until it looks natural. And that's it. Open Photopea, load your image, select the healing brush, set your brush, sample with Alt or Option, and paint to blend. Practice on a few photos to build speed and confidence.